Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to make a Curlkalon headband wig using Toni and Carrie Curl 10 inches 2 packs each. This is easy on your edges and a great protective style alternative. If you're new to my channel, let me give you a little background on Curlkalon hair. This pre-curl textured hair is 100% Curlkalon synthetic hair, and it comes ready to latch for easy crochet installation. This specially crafted hair is designed to match your virgin hair effortlessly for a timeless look that was made for the unwavering crochet braid fan who wants to rock crochet curls with confidence. It's alkaline-free, so you don't get that itch. 20 curls per pack. 4 packs are recommended for 20-inch styles, 6 packs for the 10-inch styles, and the measurements are based on stretch length of curl. So let's get into this video. All right, so I'm going to use a crochet headband cap. This is made by Free Chest Shake and Go. I'm starting with the Toni curl. This is a 1B30, 10 inches. I always stretch the hair and then I separate the curls. This creates volume, and then it also just helps to break up that pattern of the hair to make it look and appear more natural. Keep watching. So just a quick tip. I find that using this cap, you want to be consistent in how many spaces you are crocheting into. I believe that this will help with the stretch of the cap and just the overall even application of the hair. So if you're going to crochet 2 holes up or 2 holes sideways, just make sure you're being consistent throughout the whole installation process. Okay, so this is super simple. I just laid my baby hairs down as you know I would. And I'm just going to apply a black stocking cap This will help hide those gaps and spaces in the crochet cap. This comes with a comb at the back and 2 combs in the front. It's very lightweight, and I love just the feel of it. You know, if you are thinning in your edges or in your crown, this is a perfect alternative for you. And of course, with Curlkalon's hair, the longevity of this hair is amazing, and this will give you that cute afro, or even if you wanted to cut it down into a tapered TWA, you can do this, and you can pop this on and off with ease. It's not going to add any tension to your edges. The headband of this headband crochet cap is very snug but comfortable, and so I believe that this is like super cute, super easy, and it's going to protect your hair. Okay, once you got it all fluffed out, of course, you're going to add your favorite headband. I thought that this headband from some pants that I made prior to this video will look really cute, not just with my sweater and my makeup, but I believe this 1B30, the color of this brown, looks really good with the green. I thought it complemented the green well. So I'm just going to continue to fluff it out, make it big, kind of bring the curls to the front, and listen, you good to go. All right, y'all, your girl is finished. This took me maybe an hour and a half to complete. Cute, simple, fun. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, comment, and share. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.